Hello ladies and gentlemen, those in between, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Everett, and for today's video, we're going to be reacting to another Roel Carino's video.
Meron pang online request from Jenny Santos Sarmiento. And I love you so. Uy, ganda.
Para kanino yan?
Para kay Roel Carino.
And I love you much.
Ano, Ruel? Game ka?
So, yeah.
Here we go. Dapat ka.
Yeah!
Ruel Carino. On the
Love the
mic.
confidence. Yeah! Wait a moment, I think that he's already sung this song before, if I'm not mistaken, and I think I've already made a reaction video to him perform this song twice, maybe? Yeah, I think so. Perry Como's original. Wait a minute, bakit biglang sumeryoso yung mood? Ayoko ng mga seryoso na mood today. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna take this seriously, okay? I'm gonna take this seriously.
And I love you so. But people ask me how.
Nakakatuwa yung mga reaction ng mga fans ni Roel Carino. And I don't think this is weird, pero parang ironic kasi ang bata niya, pero yung mga fans niya, mga elder, mga, you know, mga nasa older generations. There you go. And gusto ko talaga yung mga reactions nila. Today I'm such in a good mood, so this song, this performance will not make me cry. Isa pa nga, gusto ko yung mga reactions ng mga fans, lalo na yung when he started off singing the first line of the song. And I love you so. At gumanon sila, whoa! Tuwang-tuwang mga fans.
And I love you so. But people ask me how I've lived till now. I tell them I don't know.
Nakikita ko si Paulo at si Yul. Yul ba yan? In the background. Parang kinikilig, no? Kinikilig si Paulo. Gusto ko yung reaction ni Bossing. Kalmado lang. It's just folding his arms and it just goes. Ganun lang. Bossing na
I
bossing
guess
talaga.
they understand how lonely life has been.
Yeah. This song is a classic pop ballad with a soft and romantic feel. And Roel Carino really keeps that style clear. He makes the performance feel warm, gentle, and of course it's, you know, it sounds emotional. And his voice sounds smooth and very expressive and expensive. I'm sure you guys agree with me on this. Napaka-expensive talaga ng boses niya. Especially when he sings the emotional parts of any songs. Lalo na pag Matt Monroe songs or crooner style songs like this one, and I Love You So. I love it. He also uses a very controlled delivery, so the vocals feel sincere rather than overly dramatic. And even though he's only 15 years old, I love that he's able to capture people's attention pretty easily and right away. Yes.
But life began again.
Naka-relax lang si
They took my hand.
Boss Joey.
And yes, I know
Ah.
how lonely life can be.
Wow, sana all in love, sana all may ano ba tawag dun sa Tagalog? You put your arms around them. No? I wish everybody had someone to put their arms around them. Paano Tagalogin yon? Sana all merong ginaganyan. Paano ba? Ang Tagalog talaga, no? Naiintindihan ko, pero pag ako na magsalita, nakaka-relate dito yung mga mga Bisaya, mga taga Iloilo, mga Ilonggo. Alam nyo yan. Sana all merong ganun. E di kayo na.
And yes, I know how lonely life can
E di kayo na. Kayo na masaya. Kayo na may love life. Kayo na masaya. Kayo na bitter. Joke lang. Okay, edi kayo na. Kayo na may love life. Kayo na. That's me. Ito honestly speaking, ganyan talaga yung mga reaction ko every time I see couples na parang sobrang sweet, you know. Edi kayo na may love life, kayo na masaya, kayo na in love.
The shadows follow me, and the night won't set me free.
Gusto ko talaga yung reaction ni Boss Joey. Yung tipong kalmado talaga na nakikinig lang siya.
But
Ay, galing.
won't let the evening get me down. Now that you're around me. Thank you.
But you know what, guys? I think that when it comes to stage presence, Ruel Carino has improved a lot. What do you guys think? Grabe, no? In a matter of 1 year, sa Eat Bulaga, exposure, TV exposure, gigs, charity concerts, benefit shows, parang he is becoming more and more comfortable performing on stage. Na hindi, you can't see any trace of awkwardness any longer. Hindi na siya yung gaya ng dati, para ma-feel mo pa na medyo meron pang ilang, you know what I mean? Meron pang awkwardness. Pero ngayon, the way he looks at the fans, smile na siya, nangingiti na siya. You know, nakakatuwa. I'm so glad that I've witnessed his growth as an artist. Kahit, sa maikling panahon lang, like 1 year. Yes, great job.
Thank you, Ruel
Tuwang-tuwa
Carino.
talaga yung mga
Naiyak si Mami, Ruel.
Ay,
Hindi ko naiyak. Pinaiyak mo.
Nasa mid.
wala. Alright guys, how do you feel about Ruel Carino's performance on today's episode of Eat Bulaga? Feel free to type anything out that you want in the comment section below. Okay? Tagalog, English, bala na kayo dyan. Alright, so anyway, I guess that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when the next video comes out. Peace out.